Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we'll delve deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, November 17, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Missing out on crucial updates that could impact your investments is not something you want. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 14, 2023, our system has ranked Google as a hold/accumulate, with a score of -0.06. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Despite some natural fluctuations, the stock has shown a gain of 1.26%. This means that since it was listed as hold/accumulate, Google has had an average daily return of 0.32%. The stock is currently moving within a wide and horizontal trend. This means that we can expect further movements within this trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, it suggests a potential -1.28% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possibility of a return between -11.17% and 1.99%. Now, let's turn our attention to the 12-month trend. It suggests a significant 57.75% change over the next 12 months. This could result in a potential return between 46.18% and 70.61%. In other words, after a year, the stock price could range from $197.80 to $230.85. Our latest update for Google brings an important headline: Google stock downgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last day, the Google stock price experienced a decrease of 1.18%, going from $136.93 to $135.31. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.8%, reaching a low of $133.66 and a high of $136.06. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances and has shown a 4.81% increase over the past 2 weeks. Although the volume of shares traded has increased by 10 million on the last day, it coincided with falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $4.84 billion worth of shares, amounting to 36 million shares, were bought and sold. Over the course of the last 52 weeks, the highest price of Google stock was $141.22, while the lowest price was $84.86. At present, the price is 4.18% or $5.91 lower than the 52-week high, and it stands at 94.47% or $2,313.61 below the all-time high reached on June 14, 2021, when the price reached $2,448.92. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Google a perform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, it was reported that Morgan Stanley gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, October 13, 2023, it was reported that Macquarie gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, October 13, 2023, it was reported that KeyBank gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, October 10, 2023, it was reported that Wells Fargo gave Google an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general buy rating. The PE ratio and price to book are both rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Google stock. The Google stock shows positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock experiences downward corrections, it is expected to find support at $133.63 and $133.24. It's important to note that a breakdown below these levels would issue sell signals. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal. However, there have been some negative signals that may influence the stock's near short-term development. One such signal was a sell signal issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, November 16, 2023. Since then, the stock has fallen by -1.18%. It is anticipated that the stock may continue to decline until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, it's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the stock's performance. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. The pivots indicator shows a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger indicator shows a buy signal 16 days ago. The short-term moving average indicator shows a buy signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average indicator shows a buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following signals. The short moving average indicator shows a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicator shows a buy signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 169 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Google's stock. When it comes to support levels, Google's stock has 2 key levels to watch. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $125.61 and $122.28. It's important to note that when a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the current support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level, which in this case is $125.61. If that level is also broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $122.28 and $122.17. Moving on to risk, Google's stock is considered to have medium risk due to its average movements during the day and good trading volume. Yesterday, the stock had a range of $2.40 between its high and low, representing a 1.8% movement. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.57%. Before we delve into potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly go over some crucial fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Google's P/E ratio falls within the normal range, which is often observed in businesses with established track records or consistent revenue streams. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $1.60. These figures can significantly impact stock prices, so it's worth keeping a close eye on them. Today, we'll be discussing some important day trading levels for Google. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $137.40. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. On the other hand, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. Now, let's talk about the downside. Google encounters its first support level at $125.61. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock's price. The consensus rating for Google, according to multiple analysts, is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 45 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 50 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 105 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 13, 2023, Shriram Kavatark Ram bought 217,760 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 13, 2023, Shriram Kavatark Ram sold 217,760 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated as negative with a ratio of -70.929. In the last 100 trades, insiders have purchased 1,162,054 shares and sold 7,306,305 shares. For this stock, we recommend setting your stop loss at $131.40, which is a decrease of 2.89%. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, which means it carries a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 is currently at 78, indicating a higher level of risk. It's important to note that a sell signal was detected from a pivot top just 1 day ago. Is Google stock a good buy? While Google does have some positive signals, we believe it's not yet a strong buy candidate. At this current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate or an opportunity to accumulate more shares, as we wait for further developments. However, there are a few small weaknesses in the technical picture, which led us to downgrade our analysis conclusion from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, November 20th, we expect Google stock to open down $0.303 and start trading at $135.01. Before we proceed, it is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is highly recommended to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our analysis of the current stock market. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.